Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be working on a fondant cake with frills. It's simple and it's easy to follow, so I'm going to leave you to watch and enjoy the video, and I'll be back in the end. That's it guys, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit that like button and leave a comment below, and if you haven't subscribed already, join the family. You are very much welcome. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.